So at first we're going to start by laying down on your back in the position that's referred to as supine. And just have your knees bent about hip width apart with your toes pointing forward. And just place your hands on your lower abdomen. And just feel the weight of your body on the mat. And just take a deep breath in through your nose. And as you breathe in, feel your abdomen expand. And breathe out through your nose and feel your abdomen soften. So we're just taking some time to connect to the breath, to draw energy to the center of the body. And again, this part of the body is referred to as the lower dantian. It's a powerful energy center in the body. And every time we take a breath, we're drawing energy into the body, and we're adding the energy that we're taking in from the environment and adding to this reservoir of qi that lives in the belly. Let's take another breath. Good. So now you'll place your arms down by the sides of your body. Your fingertips are going to reach towards your feet. And we're just going to mobilize the spine to bring energy to your spinal column. Take a deep breath in as you begin to slowly lift your hips. And then your lower back, and then your middle back, coming up to a bridge. And then slowly lower yourself down, one vertebra at a time. Upper back, middle back, lower back, and then your tailbone. Really allow your tailbone to drop down towards the floor, where you'll feel just a little bit of space underneath the lowest part of your back. And then again, you'll take a deep breath in as you begin to lift your tailbone off of the mat. Then your sacrum, then your lumbar spine, then your thoracic spine lifting up. And then slowly lower yourself down as you exhale. Be sure to really feel your feet planted firmly into the floor and feel your arms down on the mat, pressing into the floor. Inhale as you lift. And stay here, exhale. Now what I'd like for you to do is keep your hips up, bring your arms underneath you if you can, interlace your fingers, and draw your right shoulder underneath you a little bit more, and then your left shoulder. Make sure that your hips are reaching up towards the sky, draw your belly in, and feel your knees, your inner thighs engage. And just take 3 deep breaths here. Take a deep breath in through the nose. And exhale out through the nose. Feel how, as you hold this position, the back of your body is fully engaged, and then the front of your body is stretching long. The back of the body is considered yang, and the front of the body is considered yin. Let's take another breath. And now lower the hips down. Lower through the spine. You'll separate your arms and slowly lower your upper back, then your middle back, then your lower back, and then your tailbone. Good. Now from here, you're just going to bring your knees in towards your chest. And hold on to your legs. So ideally, if you can interlace your fingers and hold on to both legs, that's great. You can also just hold on to the shins. And you're just going to gently rock side to side as you hold your knees into your chest. So that last exercise really strengthened the back of the body, that yang surface of the body. Now we're going to bring a little bit more attention and awareness to the yin surface of the body, the torso. Do a little core work. So from here, you'll press your knees together, and then you will push your knees up towards the sky into your hands and feel your hands pull into your knees. And then you're going to bring your chin towards your chest and lift your head if you can. And feel how the abdominals engage, as well as your hip flexors. And you're just going to breathe in through your nose and then exhale out through your mouth. Let's do that again. Take a deep breath in. You might even feel a little shaking in the body. And now lower your head down. Let's rock side to side again. Let's try that one more time. Again, you'll gently press your knees up into your hands. Feel your hands pull into your knees. And then you'll lift your head, neck, and shoulders. And take a deep breath in, drawing energy into the center of the body. And then exhale out. And again, take a deep breath in. And then exhale out. And then lower your head down. Rock your legs side to side again. A nice gentle rocking. Just a bit of a reset. And now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to do an exercise that will stretch again the center of the body, also open up the spinal joints a bit. So I'm going to have you carefully lower your legs down to the right. Reach your arms out to the sides with your palms facing up. Now look in the opposite direction. You could even lift your head a little bit and then lower your head back down so that you feel this nice twist from the base of the spine all the way up towards the head. And just take a deep breath in. And as you breathe in, feel that expansion of the belly as well as the sides and the ribs. And breathe into the back. Bringing some energy to your left lung. And also a little energy into the left side of your lower back. Into your left kidney. Good. So let's bring the legs back up. And then we'll lower the legs to the other side. So you'll gently lower your legs to your left. You'll reach your arms out to the sides, palms facing up. You can even turn your head to your right, lift your head slightly and then lower it back down. And just take a few deep breaths here. Again, breathing into the belly, breathing into the lower back. Bringing some energy to your right kidney. As well as some energy into your right lung. Let's take another breath. Good. And then from here, we'll come back to the starting position again. And hold on to your knees and just do another gentle rock side to side.